Hello students, today we will be doing the comparison of fraction, arrangement of fraction in ascending or descending order, and also you will have few questions that you have to solve by yourself in maths classwork copy. So first we will see the example where we have to compare two different fraction, 4 by 13 and 6 by 11. You can see both the fractions are unlike fraction. They are proper fraction and they are unlike to each other. Why they are unlike fraction? Because the denominators are not same. So first of all we have to make the unlike fraction into like fraction. So 4 by 13. So what we will do? First of all, the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the denominator of the other fraction, that is 11. You can see 6 by 11. So 11 is the denominator of the other fraction. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction with 11. So we will get 44 by 143. Now 6 by 11. Here also the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction, which was 13. So 6 into 13 and 11 into 13, we will get 78 by 143. Now when we have got the like fraction where both the denominators are same, we can easily compare them. We can compare the numerator. 78 is more than 44, which means 6 by 11 which was after changing 78 by 143 it was, and 4 by 13 which was after changing it became 44 by 143. So like this we can compare. Second example that you will do, that find the greatest among these fraction. 3 whole 2 by 5, 5 whole 3 by 4 and 11 by 2. Now all these fractions are improper fraction. The first two fractions are mixed fraction, so we have to change it into improper fraction, then we can solve it. But first of all we have to take the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 5, 4 and 2. If we take the LCM, on the right hand side of the screen you can see that I have shown how I have taken the LCM. For LCM, that is the lowest common multiple, first of all we have to write the multiples of the numbers. 5 equals to 1 into 5. By multiplying 1 into 5 you will get 5. 4 equals to 2 by into 2. 2 equals to 1 into 2. Now remember, here we will take the multiples which are only repeated once, and the numbers which are numbers or multiples which are repeated more than one time, we will take it as only one time. So 5 into 2 will become 20. We are not taking the 2 3 times. We are writing 2 only 2 times. Remember this. This is the rule of LCM. So the same numbers are not repeated. If the same numbers are there, it will be repeated only one. So the given fraction will be first changed into like fraction, because now we have the LCM. So 3 whole 2 by 5, in previous video you have seen how to change the mixed fraction in improper fraction into improper fraction. So it will become 17 by 5. 17 by 5, now we have to change into a like fraction. How we will do that? By multiplying it with 4. The denominator will be multiplied by 4 so that it will become 20, which is the LCM. And remember that whatever number we are multiplying with the denominator, the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So it will become 68 by 20. Same thing will happen with 5 whole 3 by 4. It will become 115 by 20. And 11 by 2, which is in improper fraction only, it will become 110 by 20. So here you have to remember that the denominator should be equal to the LCM. The LCM was 20, that's why we have multiplied it with 4, 5 and 10 respectively. And now we have got the numbers, that is 100. The numerator, if we compare with each other, we have got 150, 110 and 68. So 115 is more than 110 and 110 is more than 68. So here we have done the comparison. So 23 by 4 is the greatest among the given fraction, which was in turn was changed into 115 by 20 to make it like fraction. So over here you can see the calculation step by step it is done. In the same way you also have to do, you have to show all the steps. Now the next example, arrange in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Here the fractions are 4 by 15, 7 by 10 and 1 by 5. First of all we will take the LCM. LCM of the denominators, that is 15, 10 and 5. So I have written over here the multiples. 15 we can write 3 into 5, 10 we can write 2 into 5 and 5 we can write 1 into 5. Over here I can see 5 is common in all of the multiples. So I will take it only one time and the rest of the multiples I will write as it is. So LCM equals to, I will write 3 into 2 into 5, which will come 30. So LCM we have got 30. So now we have to change these fractions into like fraction. So first of all 4 by 15, how to change them into like fraction? The denominator we have to change to 30. So 15 into 2 I know is 30. So the same number multiplied with the denominator, that is 2, will be multiplied with the numerator also, that is 4 into 2. It will become 8 by 30. In the similar way 7 by 10, I know 10 if I multiply with 3 it will become 30. So the same number will be multiplied with the numerator also. So it will come 21 by 30 and 1 by 5 will become 6 by 30. Now all of them are in like fraction. So ascending order of the like fraction would be that you can see on the screen, 6 by 30, then 8 by 30, then 21 by 30. And now if you are going to write the actual fraction before making them like fraction, it will go like this: 1 by 5, then 4 by 15, then 7 by 10. So here you have seen the calculation. First of all you have to make the unlike fraction into like fraction. Then from the like fraction you can compare the fractions, because the denominators will be same. You have to compare only the numerators, and when you are comparing the numerator you will get which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Like that you can make it in ascending order and also in descending order in the same way. I have shown the ascending order arrangement. You can do the same thing and you can arrange it in descending order also. The calculation and the method will be same, only you have to arrange in descending order. It means you have to arrange from biggest to smallest. So this were the calculation. Now I will give you few questions that you have to do by yourself. As much as you practice, you will get more and more sharp and smooth in all these kinds of questions. Remember students, you need to practice more and more so that it will be easy for you to answer whenever it is asked to solve this kind of questions. So you will be getting few questions that you have to solve in your math classwork copy. Here are the question. Question number 1. Arrange the following in descending order. Number A, 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 2 whole 4 by 9. Number B, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Question number 2. Find out the biggest or greatest fraction among the following. Number A, 9 by 10, 4 by 6, 3 by 5. Number B, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 8. Question number 3. Compare the following. Here in the box you have to put the markings, which one is bigger, which one is greater. Greater than or smaller than marks will be in the box. Okay. So number A is 3 by 5 and 2 by 4. Number B is 5 by 11 and 3 by 11. So this is for your classwork, for your today's classwork. You have to do it in your math classwork copy. Remember students, the more you practice, the more smooth and sharp you will become in mathematics. So keep practicing. Until then, stay safe, study hard. Thank you students.